Umentri rangba ka jela Conrad ke sangmau la pentikna ba ki jingklumar baro ki benang deb jashen kidung kta ai ne Pynwit iki Tamasa ba ki jingle kai kum ka North East Olympics ka ban long nang ni shkmat apo ka jela. Habai kren makilat patai kubor menta ka sing ka Ïatrei unaiwing umentri rangba ula ong bai ka jingya rally mene procession ka sarkar ka nyale kat bala bante lakam da ka ba on snap bat on yakindu iki ba bat ki seng bhalang ki bakwa bani kren khnang banwan ra ya ka suk ka sany ha ka jela. Ulaong baya menta ka sarkar kay lekat bala ha ka Ïatrei lang bakiwe ki Kynhun Bapher ban pentik na bakini ki Tamasa bar ki jinga la kai sports kin ya bet khman klem kanu ka jing Pynwit. Ulaong ba palat sawa jangut ki banwan ni shim benta ha ka Olympics na kaleng ki jila bat na kalyang jong ka sarkar kala pentik na ya ka shongsuk shong shngai.
As we had mentioned that to make this entire Northeast Olympics as well as other programs a success, it is important that all stakeholders and the society as a whole we work together so that every step is taken to make everybody feel welcome and at the same time to ensure that people go back with a very positive memory of this particular games and also of the festivals that are there. And hence we feel that all stakeholders should be part of this. I was happy today that many of the Rangvashnongs have come and they have assured us that they will participate and work with us, and we are happy to see that there will be positive response, and we will do whatever it takes, as I said, to ensure that these games go off in as good a manner as possible, and no stone will be left unturned to ensure that these games. We have 4,000 people who have agreed to participate. We'll be having, we have just received confirmation also that one of the union ministers will be coming for the inauguration day, and we also expect a few of the chief ministers to also be coming. Will not be, and as per the situation only, that time there was a call for, and permission was sought for a rally and a procession, which was denied. And based on that, of course, discussions were held with the Home Minister. Some of the organizations have sought an appointment with me also, and I have given an appointment to them to discuss whatever issues that are there. I want to assure everybody that every step will be taken to ensure that there is peace in the state and in the capital, to ensure that all the festival programs, all the different kind of, different what do you call this, festivals that we're having, that they will be held in a proper manner, and at the same time we are involving all different stakeholders in the process to ensure that everything goes off peacefully. Large stakeholders who are locals are automatically involved in this and are affected in this. Large number of athletes who will be playing in the games also are involved in this. So therefore it is our own people who are part of this entire festival and who will be benefited by this. So therefore it is in the interest of the people of the state itself, and hence the government will ensure that every step is taken to ensure that there is protection as well as peace in the city and the state.